Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, really not much happening over the past few days. Obviously in America, we do have Thanksgiving, which is leading to quite low volume in the markets and interest. Verasity, the volume is actually, it's not too bad, is it? You can see there has been a few little spikes of volume here and there. Obviously, we got that good fundamental news a few days ago for Verasity, which did see the price move up a little bit here. It had a fairly decent pump of around 30% on that day, off the back of that news that Verasity was getting one of its patents fully approved in the US, which is obviously a big deal fundamentally for the company. But, in the current bear market situation we find ourselves in, you can see we got stuck under a level of resistance in the range that we have been talking about here. We came down. I thought this would probably be a resistance here to form maybe a little bit of a range. And you can see we came down, found support. We can run up to the resistance off the back of that, and now looking like we are just retracing again. As we said before, very, very simple support and resistance. You can see the previous support here, lost, and then we came down, support. We run back up to the resistance here. We actually tested it 3 times. And now looking like we are just, chopping it sideways in the middle of the range here, waiting for the next thing to happen in the markets. Obviously, the market's quite bearish overall over the past few months, especially recently with Bitcoin losing its low. The FTX collapse being very bearish in terms of sentiment, at the very least for the crypto space. But a lot of crypto is getting very overextended to the downside. And as we've always said, and we'll continue to say, the big bullish divergences that we are seeing for Verasity, not only on the MACD, but on the RSI here as well. Price action coming down, but, the RSI and the MACD coming up like this, showing that there is a decrease in momentum to the downside. We probably expect that, sooner rather than later, once Verasity does find a good support, it will come up and retest some of these key levels of resistance, at the very least up at around this level here, or up to the 0.23, which is up here at around that 0.75 cent level. We did say this does need to be tested at some point. And we do think, the price action will not continue down like this forever, in our opinion, especially considering that, Verasity does actually have good fundamentals as a cryptocurrency, and it does have, actual real life use case outside of crypto as well. So very, very interesting. But, purely in terms of technicals here, you can see very simply what has happened just in a range right now, and just waiting to see what happens next. So pretty much perfectly in the middle of our range, and until we see ourselves break out of the range in either direction with a back test, that is what we will be trading. So if we're heading up, we'll be heading up to the top of the range here, or heading down, we're most likely going to see ourselves retest some of these previous key levels down here. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.